Good morning, my kids. Whenever we study something, sometime, we fall into some traps. And, wrongly recognized, it is true although, it is not true. No matter, it is history, science, philosophy, or even cooking. It is sometimes, due to wrong information. And, sometime, due to misunderstanding. For example, you have some impression that petroleum will be run out soon. Let's say, we are going to dig up all oil within 40 years. Actually, when I was small, already science books said that we are going to use up oil within few decades. So, because lacking of energy resource, we cannot have enough electric supply. And that book said all football games must conduct only daytime under sunshine. But actually, it was not true. Although we consume petroleum as it is now, still we have oil at least few hundred years ahead. Because they need platform to dig petroleum, and lifelong of this platform is around 40 years, it is effective for oil company to dig up all existing oil there by 40 years. And also analysis disregard probability to find new oil resource. We have impression that remaining petroleum in this earth is going to be finished. But anyway, today I want to focus on one big misunderstanding. It is light speed is fastest velocity, and nothing can overtake it. You are thinking light speed is fastest in any objects in this world. And nothing can overtake its speed. Velocity. You may recall Einstein and his theory of general relativity. In order to explain more details, I have to introduce one great inventor. Edwin Hubble, American astronomer. He played very crucial role in observational cosmology. And his Hubble Space Telescope push up his reputation to the great honor. Indeed, even now, we are still relying on his Hubble Space Telescope. And these telescopes contribute further development of cosmology. Also, he was very famous by his Hubble's law, and it helps to develop the idea of Big Bang theory. Anyway, by his telescope, we discovered so many things in the universe. And this idea of Big Bang inspired many scientists afterwards. One day, he was observing universe with his Hubble telescope and find strange phenomenon. This was Doppler effect, and he discovered redshift from this Doppler effect. Redshift is the phenomenon wavelength of electromagnetic wave becomes longer. For example, when we observe any planets which moving away from Earth, the color of that planet shall be seen redder rather than its original color. This is consequence of Doppler effect. What is Doppler effect? Easy example, when ambulance is coming close to you, the siren will be high tone and high tone when it come closer. And when it is leaving from you, the siren become low tone and low tone. Sound is wave, and when it is coming close, the wavelength becomes shorter and shorter. So, your ears listen as high tone. Upside down. When the sound is going away from you, the sound wavelength become longer and longer. Then, your ears listen the sound as lower and lower. you can imagine, spring. Once spring is fixed, I mean close to you, length of spring shall be short. But once you extend it, length become longer, and spring will be away from you. Okay, then imagine something is coming close, or leaving away from you. But if this something is just turning around your body, making circle. Indeed, if in this situation, Doppler effect will not happen. If ambulance will just go around you, no changes of sound wave. As a logic, lighting should be same situation. If light spins, and it keeps same distance all the way, Doppler effect should not appear, am I correct? But he discovered Doppler effect, the wave from outside of our galaxy. And also discovered redshift as well. Therefore, he concluded that this universe is expanding. And this speed of expansion must overtake the light speed. This logic has been proved by practical cosmic observation as well. You have information that our universe happens 13.7 billion years before. It starts from extreme small spot, and expand up to existing status, with 13.7 billion years duration. And Hubble suggested equation to calculate this speed of expansion. Upon this equation, speed of universe expansion is much more faster than light speed. Then, you may think that it is to disprove general relativity. Actually, both Hubble and Einstein are correct. The space of universe is expanding more faster than light speed. However, this is expansion of space, and not speed of certain object. Indeed, Einstein agreed in his general relativity that space can overtake light speed. In here, our brain fall into massive mess. What is extension of space? Then, how about outside of space? For example, if Big Bang happen, how about outside of this Big Bang? Answer for this question in modern science is nothing, really nothing there. Outside of universe. No any substances, no atom, no organic, because no space there. Upon modern cosmology, time, space, happened, when this universe appeared in this world, and it completed in our universe only. Therefore, we do not have any concept outside of our universe, even time, space. So, we do not have any before of this universe as well. As an image, not the universe is expanding inside of some room, but room itself is expanding with inside universe together. And general relativity defined, nothing can overtake light speed. But this nothing does not include space. It includes just only for object and energy. And premise of general relativity is only inside of fixed space, not inside of expanding unfixed space. Of course, our galaxy also comparatively moving along with this expansion. But it does not mean that planet inside of universe can move more faster than light speed. Still, Hubble Space Telescope shall help us to open our eyes for the truth of universe, and we may gradually know more about our universe rather than before.
As the journey continues.